Welcome to the DMV Practice Test Pro. Question 1. It is best to not ride directly alongside another vehicle because A. You may be riding in its blind spot. B. It is distracting to have a vehicle next to you. C. Other drivers may want to use the lane. D. It would be difficult to see what is happening behind you. The correct answer is A. Question 2. What does this road sign mean? A. Slow down and prepare to stop if cars are approaching you. B. Come to a full stop, then proceed when it is safe to do so. C. Proceed carefully through the intersection, not always stopping. The correct answer is B. Question 3. When approaching an object or uneven surface that you cannot avoid, you should A. Make sure the motorcycle is leaning to one side. B. Speed up. C. Swerve quickly. D. Rise slightly off the seat to allow your legs to absorb the shock. The correct answer is D. Question 4. A sign that your rear tire has suddenly gone flat is that A. The back of your motorcycle is swaying from side to side. B. You heard a loud noise. C. A discharge of air can be seen. The correct answer is A. Question 5. This sign is A. Service sign. B. Regulatory sign. C. Warning sign. D. Stop sign. The correct answer is C. Question 6. The front brake supplies how much of a motorcycle's stopping power? A. About 1/4. B. About 1/2. C. About 3/4. D. All the stopping power. The correct answer is C. Question 7. A child passenger A. Should be placed in front of the operator. B. Should be placed behind the operator. C. Does not have to be able to reach the footrests. D. Should hold on to the motorcycle frame. The correct answer is B. Question 8. In general, riders should A. Pick one lane position and always use it. B. Change lane positions frequently to prevent monotony. C. Choose a lane position that maximizes their space cushion. D. Never use the center lane position. The correct answer is C. Question 9. Which formation is best for a group of riders entering a curve? A. Pyramid. B. Staggered. C. Single file. D. Compressed. The correct answer is C. Question 10. When should the front brake be used? A. Anytime the rider is slowing or stopping. B. Only when slowing or stopping on slippery roads. C. Only when slowing or stopping in an emergency. D. Only when slowing or stopping in traffic. The correct answer is A. Question 11. When you see this sign, you A. are approaching a railroad crossing and should prepare to stop. B. will always stop at the upcoming railroad crossing. C. should stop and wait for a signal before crossing the railroad tracks. The correct answer is A. Question 12. Once a motorcycle helmet has been involved in a crash, it should be A. inspected closely. B. replaced. C. sold to another rider. D. outfitted with a new chin strap. The correct answer is B. Question 13. A DOT-compliant helmet A. will severely restrict your ability to see. B. will allow you to see adequately to both sides. C. will prevent you from turning your head. The correct answer is B. Question 14. When approaching a blind intersection, riders should A. ignore the stop line and move forward to get a better look. B. roll through the intersection. C. stop at the stop line before moving forward to improve their view of cross traffic. D. stop at the stop line then proceed through the intersection. The correct answer is C. Question 15. If operating a three-wheeled motorcycle or riding with a sidecar, do not ride too far to the right of your lane because A. other drivers may not see you. B. you will not be able to pass other vehicles as easily. C. other drivers may try to share your lane. D. you may run off the road. The correct answer is D.